Hi, so today I'd like to update you on my progress on my game, Arcane Fortune. So basically what has happened since last week is I've added the ability to use the submap and for it to show a preview of the map. So here I'm just clicking around and you can see I'm going to different locations. The dark green is another thing that I've added since last week, which is basically in what will be an impassable mountain on the terrain. So, as you can see, when I click around, the red shaded area is approximately the area that is being shown on the screen. So as I zoom out, you can see that area becomes larger until it encompasses the entire screen, which you see here as the map starts to wrap around horizontally here. Um, so that is basically it so far. I altered the map generation algorithm slightly as well, um, to give what I think is a little bit more realistic of maps. Um, in a sense, I was previously, as I described last week, I was previously initializing the map by starting randomly at a point and then growing outward, and generating values that were random, yet values that were random but related to the values that were already generated spatially nearby. So I've changed that so that I randomly initialize values starting at multiple locations and then grow them at multiple points simultaneously. I found this just generates better looking maps. The last thing I wanted to mention today was that I added a rasterization of Earth to the maps, and I'll show you this now. So here's Africa. As I zoom out, you can start to recognize more. If you zoom in, you will notice points that didn't previously appear zoomed out. So Hawaii becomes visible at higher zoom levels, or for example, Cuba, you can start to see. Anyways, that's all for this week. I will probably work more on the terrain and the features of it in the coming weeks. One thing that I forgot to mention is that I'm starting the build functionality. So this is how it might look if you start to construct a road along the map here like this. That's still a work in progress, but just the start of it you can see here. Anyways, thank you, and check back next week for more updates.